Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely. So while you are in the setup of the Epic Games Launcher and it states that the Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard ended prematurely, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So I will just share it to you as simple ways on how we can fix this. So first is you need to make a right click at the start button, and in the list of options you have to click on Task Manager. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then here you can find the Run New Task, Create New Task. Then here we are going to run the MSI exec command. So type here msiexec.exe. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on browse. Now here we need to look for the path as to where the installer file has been saved. Now for sure that will be in the downloads. Then click on this drop down arrow and change this to all files. Then here we can find the Epic installer, this one. Click on it. Click on open. Click on OK. And then we have to close the task manager window. Then we have two options right here, to repair and to remove. To click on repair. So click repair to repair the installation of Epic Games Launcher. Click on repair. And let's just wait for this. And after that, after if it has repaired the Epic Games Launcher, then we need to continue the setup. So you just have to click on the installer file to continue the setup. Then for the second method is we need to right click at the start button and then select File Explorer in the list of options. Then click on this PC and click on the Windows C drive, double click on that. Look for the program files x86, double click. Now look for the Epic Games, make a right click and then select delete. And after that, go back to the Windows C drive and then click on the program files. And here, if you can find the Epic Games, just also do the same process, just delete the folder. Then for the third method is we can temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then you can temporarily disable that. You just need to click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. And if you are using any of those third-party antivirus softwares, then that will appear from here. So you just need to click on quit the third-party antivirus softwares like Quit Malwarebytes, Quick Avast, or Quick McAfee. Then click on the Windows security icon. Then simply click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down and you'll find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Here you'll find real-time protection. Just simply turn that off and then continue the setup. And once the setup has continued and then has succeeded or the setup was successful, then you need to go back to the same Windows security window and then enable it from here because real-time protection is very important security for your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.